Let's talk Reverso. Hey, what's up guys, Giacomo here. So let's talk Reverso, and the model I'm showcasing for you today is the classic Monoface in medium size. Let's get it. So this is a medium size Reverso, and some people might be put off by the idea of wearing a relatively small watch, but we're in the world of rectangular watches now, and those rules that apply to round-shaped watches like sport watches, for example, don't apply here. A smaller Reverso is not a bad Reverso. Quite the opposite, actually. It is an elegant watch, it is a dress watch after all, and should you consider it as your next acquisition, arguably the challenge you might be facing is pick up a size that is not too big for you. Having said that, let's dive into the features of this beautiful Reverso. Case stainless steel, and of course it is swiveling. The proper way to do that is to push gently on the side opposite and in direction of the crown, but not all the way. Swivel the case around until it lines up with the frame and then push it back in place. This will avoid unnecessary scratches. After all, this mechanism is, to the extent of the pin that is pushed into the frame, friction-based. The original idea behind the swiveling mechanism was to prevent the glass from shattering should the watch have been hit accidentally in a polo game. By flipping the case around, one would shield the watch from damage. In real life, this makes less sense. The Reverso is a delicate watch, and I wouldn't recommend wearing it on occasions where damage could be caused to it in general. So what tends to happen is one would wear the watch always showing the time and not flip that case around. On this particular reference, the back of the case is plain steel. So what is the point of having a swiveling mechanism if you're not going to use it? Well, I can think of at least 3 reasons why that is important. First of all, it is nice to know that it is there should you need it. If it wasn't there at all, then the watch wouldn't be faithful to its original vintage from the 30s. Also, it makes for a good conversation piece. The dial is a silver gray with vertical satin brushed finish and a very nice, albeit simple, guilloche. For those of you that don't know what a guilloche is a type of decoration which is done usually on a watch with the help of an engraving technique. On this particular reference, we can appreciate straight lines coming off the center of the dial. Black transferred Arabic numerals and the Jaeger LeCoultre marquee and logo at 12 o'clock complete this exquisite dial. Sword hands look arranged from a muted dark to a sapphire blue depending on how the light hits them. It is really amazing to see that in person. The movement is caliber A22. Manual winding power reserve is 45 hours. There is no second hand to this movement. I for one love to see that small second hand sweeping. It also tells me right away whether the watch is running or not. But some just see it as a distraction, and without the second hand, the dial looks cleaner and less cluttered. Blue leather strap on this example as opposed to black. The classic Reverso comes with a black leather strap, but on this particular example, it was replaced immediately with the blue one, which appears to be available by default on some quartz models. The strap is gorgeous. I wish it had more of a muted matte finish to it. Still, this original Jaeger LeCoultre substitute complements the blue of the hands on the dial quite nicely. I always consider a deploying clasp a plus on a strap, and that is certainly true for the Reverso. It is more elegant and more secure. No way it is going to drop while strapping it on the wrist. Also, the easy clip release system makes for a very convenient process of replacing the strap, no tools required. We are in the presence of high horology here. Jaeger LeCoultre is well known for that. And in the world of rectangular watches, I can say, no doubt in my mind, that the Reverso is the king. Be it its Art Deco design, the unique shape of the case, that swiveling mechanism, it is indeed an iconic watch. And with that, I'm wrapping this one up. Thank you guys for watching. Click that subscribe button if you feel like doing so. Catch you in the next one.